Well, hi, Scott. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has been testifying in front of the House Ways and Means Committee, and she said that the Biden administration is considering lifting some of the tariffs on Chinese goods that had been imposed by former President Trump. She said that China is guilty of unfair trade practices, but that the current tariffs do not serve our strategic interests and that a decision could come in the next few weeks.
I believe some of the tariffs did not serve, really ended up being paid by Americans, not by the Chinese, hurt American consumers and businesses. And we are taking a look at those and looking to be able to address, to reconfigure those tariffs in a way that would be more strategic.
Yellen was also pressed by Republicans on the impact of the American Rescue Plan. She said that it did contribute to the strong economic growth we're seeing today. But, Scott, she said that it did, at most, modestly contribute to inflation. Back to you.
Okay. That's Yellen Moy down in D.C. Interesting news there. Joe, you've been talking about this, looking for some developments. It's a bit of a political pickle for the president, if you want to call it that, because the minute this happens, he's going to face criticism that he's caved in some respects to China. So that, I think, is dominating a lot of the conversation, probably behind the scenes. That's just a guess, but it seems like a legitimate one. What do you think?
I would agree with that. The other side of those, if he keeps the tariffs in place, then he's acknowledging the effectiveness of President Trump's tariffs. So politically, I'm not sure he wants to do that as well. Look, this is low-hanging fruit. It's obvious to everyone that at least offering exemptions to companies that are importing goods from China, that would give some relief to the inflationary environment right now. It's a positive catalyst overall for the market, I suspect. In the coming weeks, there has to be a response to the necessity of review, which is currently going on. It has to happen by July 6th. Initially, there's $34 billion worth of tariffs that they have to respond to. Let's see what happens.
Well, it looks like it looks like in some respects that it's going to happen, at least a little bit, based on one of the headlines that we put on the screen, that the secretary expects it to happen.
Positive catalyst
in the coming weeks. So
positive catalyst.
We'll continue to follow that.